Hi, welcome to Indian Technomanic World. This is part 2 of Android project development tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about end result of Android project, which includes activities. My project name is Home Total Care, which includes 5 activity and 5 table in SQLite database. Objective of Home Total Care app are to handle bank detail and financial savings and expenditure, that is income and expenditure. Let's move to first activity, that is login activity, which includes username and password. After entering correct credentials, it will allow you to enter into the home page. If not, it will shows message pass incorrect. Let's try. This is a login page which includes username and password. If you type correct username, that is a emulator, Android emulator, and the project name is Home All Care or Home Total Care. In this page, you can see the username and password. If you click on cancel button, it will shows do you want to close this app. If you click on yes, then the app will be closed. After clicking the correct password and username, it will allow you to enter. If password is wrong, then it will shows an toast message, that is wrong username and password. After entering correct password, you can log in. After login, you will see the home page, which includes multiple buttons and multiple activities, such as add new member. This activity is used for to entering the member names and the member details. First, for example, name, surname or nickname or date of birth. After that, you have to add email ID or PAN card number, Aadhaar number, and after clicking on submit, the record will be stored successfully. If you want to see all the records which you have already entered, you can see by using a click all. Such we have already entered the 7th record. You can see the 7th record is successfully entered. If you want to search it, you have to put his ID. After click on ID, you will see the all the records or the fields which we you have already stored. If you want to change your mobile number or something else, you can update it easily. Okay, record updated successfully. If you want to see, you have to click on view all. You can see the record is updated successfully. After that, if you want to delete it, you have to just put the ID and search it. The record will be appears. After clicking on the delete button, the record will be deleted successfully. Okay, these are the all DBMS CRUD operations that are create, update, delete, and retrieve. Okay, this is just a basic level of designing. We will make it more effective in later videos. This is just a beginning level. Okay, if you put your ID that we have already deleted and try to search it, it will shows you the record not found. If you want to reset it, you can do it by clicking a reset button. If you want to close the app, you have to just click on cancel button. The app will be automatically closed. Similar way, you can put your all the details, bank details into the next forms or next activity. I have already taken two information into that form. You can see on the screen. Similar way, if you want to search it or if you want to change the something, you can do it easily. After clicking on back, you will come to the home page. This is third form. Here you can add the members account, that is add new bank account. Suppose I'm taking a name as Ram, jointly account with this person, and the name of bank, the address of bank, and you have to click on account number and just click on submit. If you want to give some remarks, you can do that also. After giving the remark, you can submit this. Just click on a submit button. You will, if you want to see the record, you have to click on view all. You can see the record which we have just entered into the database. Okay, now this is just a SQL database. Okay, SQLite database, sorry. If you want to search it, you have to just put your ID name, ID number, and search. Click on search. If you want to change that number, account number, you can easily do that. Update it. Also click on view all. You will see that your account number will be changed. Okay. Next to that, you just click on cancel. You will back to the home page. These are the forms, and last but not least, expenditures. In day-to-day life, we have lots of expenditures, so you can put it in this app also. Just click on the person name and date. Suppose today's date is 12 or 11, anything date you can put here. Okay, just give reason, for what reason you have all spent money. Okay, suppose hotel, 1150, remark that is party, suppose. You have to just click on submit. The record will be submitted successfully. If you want to see view all, you can say, just check it out. Okay, so this is all about our end result. This is just what we call at and this is just a beginning level project. We have to work on this project. After later we will update it also. So do comment, subscribe, and please press bell icon. Thank you.